Hello, welcome again. And you know, this is my fourth video. Okay, and in today class, we discuss about what the sign convention, and particularly sign convention is needed for solving different types of problems in connecting with what optics or your mirror or lens. Okay, so sign convention specially it is known as the new Cartesian rule. New Cartesian rule, just like our coordinate system, the same also followed here. Okay, so let us start. Hope you will learn better, and if it is helpful somehow for you, then my labor will be successful. Okay, what I am trying my best to explain the content. Okay, so come to the point. So according to the new Cartesian sign convention, what? According to the new Cartesian sign convention, suppose the drawing mirror. Okay, a concave mirror. Okay. Okay, this is the principal axis. Okay, principal axis. So while measuring the distances, always measurements are done from the pole. Okay, what? All measurements are done from. So the first point, all distances are measured from the pole. So take pole as the origin. Okay, this is the pole. Okay, so when you know all incident rays come from the left side of the mirror, from this side. Okay, so the measurements in the direction of incident rays, what? The measurements in the direction of incident rays are taken as positive, and against the against the direction of the incident rays are taken as negative. Yes, negative. Did I tell wrong? Again. All measurements in the direction of incident rays are taken as positive. Did I tell it? And all measurements against the direction of incident rays are taken as negative. Don't confuse. In the direction of incident rays, positive. Against the direction of incident rays, negative. Or else, we say measurements towards the left side of the pole. Towards the left side of the pole are taken as negative. This is negative. Okay. And measurements right side of the pole on the principal axis, or you see on the mirror, are taken as positive. Okay. And measurements upward the principal axis, what? Upward the principal axis are taken as positive, and downward the principal axis are taken as negative. Anywhere, if you are measuring object, suppose object distance, positive. Okay, because we are measuring from upward from the principal axis, and while going downward, suppose an image is formed in case of concave mirror in the front side of the mirror, then that will be what? Negative. The height will be negative. So height of objects or anything measuring upward from the principal axis, that is always positive. So finally I say measurements are done from pole, taking pole as the origin, towards the left side negative, towards the right side positive, upward from the principal axis positive, downward from the principal axis negative. And for convex, for convex, as you know, for convex, image is basically formed on the back side of the mirror, so that is always what? That is always, the distance is always what? Positive. Positive. Always positive. Next. Object distance. If we take U as the object distance, V as the image distance, and F be the focal length. What? Okay. Already sign convention done. Next, mirror formula. Okay. The mirror formula for any spherical mirror is what? 1 by V plus 1 by U. That is equal to 1 by. Okay. This is called the mirror formula. What? Okay. Next, magnification. This is important for solving different types of problems. Okay. Magnification is such a thing that how much the height of the image has been magnified, has been enlarged in compare with the object, height of the object. That is called the magnification. What is magnification? Magnification is something that we are taking an image of an object. Okay. So what we get? We get the image. Thereafter, if we consider in terms of ratio, how much the enlargement has been occurred. How big is the How big is the image as compared to the object? The size. Here important point is size. That is called magnification. So what should be the magnification, the formula? What should be the formula? So magnification is a ratio. That is a what? That is a ratio of what? Height of image to height of the object. Okay. What? Height of image to height of object. Okay. Very simple. Magnification. What is magnification? Magnification is a ratio of height of image to height of the object. Okay. Again, the linear magnification produced by a mirror is equal to the ratio of the image distance to the object distance with a minus sign. That is, again, another formula we have. magnification is equal to what? Image distance to object distance minus of image distance to object distance. Okay. The linear magnification. What? The linear magnification produced by a mirror, spherical mirror, either concave or convex. Okay. Is equal to the ratio of the image distance to the object distance with a minus sign. With a minus sign. Okay. So I write m is equal to h2 by h1, where h2 is the height of the image, h1 is the height of the object, and image distance, that is, we take v. What? V. Okay. This is 1. This is 2. What is magnification? The ratio of height of image to height of the object, and the same as minus of image distance to the object distance. How it is? Let us graphically tell you. This is important for solving different types of problems. Okay. Suppose this is the image, this is the object, okay, and this is C, this is F, okay. Another way, here image is produced, okay, here image is produced, then this is called the object distance. What? This is height of the image. This is called the object distance, and this is called the what? Image distance. And in case of concave, this is a concave, we write or just it, okay. And always negative sign is used because you are measuring what? From the pole to the left side of the pole, okay. That's why we should take the negative sign, okay. Sign convention, that is sign convention. My point is magnification here, and for magnification we have to change. We have to take the ratio of height of the image to height of the object. Here it is the image and it is the object. This is the height and this is the height. An important term for sign convention, relating to sign convention. If you are taking the object distance, what should be the sign convention here? As you know, we are measuring from the principal axis in the upward direction while measuring the object distance, okay. So it should be always positive, and while measuring the image distance in case of concave mirror, we are measuring downward of the principal axis, and that should be the negative sign convention there, okay. This is the basic of coordinate what? New sign convention, okay. Cartesian new sign convention, okay. New Cartesian sign convention is very important for measuring different distances, different measurements in mirror or you say lens also. That we will discuss later, okay. So two things for magnification. So what is magnification? What is the size of the image? What had previously to the object? Okay. What is the size of the object? What is the size of the image? How much changes we feel in terms of ratio? That is called the magnification. Whether the image size is big or small, okay. How much big, how much small as compared to the object. That is the magnification, okay. So we read three things: sign convention, mirror formula, and magnification. Again, concluding this video, I just recapitulate again. Okay, reminding the first thing, sign convention, measurement, sign convention related to measurement, and accordingly to the origin. What is the origin for a mirror? Any mirror, spherical, either convex or concave? Pole. The pole is the origin here, and all measurements are done from the pole. To the left side, negative, right side, positive, or in the direction of incident ray, positive, against the direction of incident ray, negative. Next, height. While measuring heights, we start measuring from the principal axis, and while going upward, that is positive sign is used, and when going downward, negative sign is used. Okay, object distance and image distance. When the image is formed in front of a concave mirror, must be negative, because we are measuring towards the left side of the pole. If backside, positive, because measuring right side from the pole. Okay, but in case of convex mirror, always image distance is always positive, because it always happens to be in the back side of the mirror. Okay, next, mirror formula, very simple. 1 by V plus 1 by U is equal to 1 by F, or 1 by the image distance plus 1 by the object distance is equal to the 1 by the focal length. And for magnification, we have two formulas. One is height of the image upon height of the object. Okay, and another from distances. For linear magnification, minus sign is used, very important. A minus sign is used here. Image distance to object distance, the ratio of image distance to object distance. So this is all about three contents. One is mirror formula, yes, no, sign convention, what, sign convention, mirror formula, and magnification. That's all. Thank you for watching. Keep it up, and I will continue my different lessons one by one, and I will try my best to provide you better learning experience. And as it is a demand of the situation that we should stay at home and learn. Okay, thank you for watching. Thank you.